fellow Zimbabweans, sons and daughters of the soil, I come before you today not as a politician, but as a soldier who has dedicated his entire adult life to the defense and sovereignty of this great republic. Sanabina Mashkotogwana retired Lieutenant Skauke Mapranga and was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zorana son of Rachiti. From over 4 decades, I stood on the front lines from the liberation struggle to the building of our nation's security architecture, always guided by one unshakable principle. The Constitution is the sacred covenant between the people and their leaders. It is not optional, it is not negotiable, it is the very foundation upon which our independence was built. Today I speak with deep concern and unambiguous resolve against those who are shamelessly abusing public office, undermining our constitution, and aggressively pushing the controversial Cap 3 maintenance agenda. Let that sink in. To every cabinet minister, permanent secretary, advisor, legislator, or state functionary involved in this dangerous enterprise, hear me loud and clear. There will be no fire, there will be no community service, there will be no suspended sentence, there will be no early release for good behavior. If you proceed to violate the Constitution through Cap 3, you will find yourself at Chikurubi maximum security prison, serving a minimum of 10 years to a maximum of 20 years behind those cold wars. Non-negotiable. Let me explain why. This must be so. The Constitution of Zimbabwe is not a mere legal document drafted for academic debate. It is the hard-won product of the blood, sweat, and sacrifices of millions of Zimbabweans. It enriches the principles of democracy, the rule of law, separation of power, the protection of fundamental rights. When you tamper with it for narrow political expediency, when you push Cap 3 through the manipulation, intimidation, or abuse of state institutions, you are not just breaking a law, you are betraying the very soul of the nation. I have watched with growing alarm as some among us treat governance like a personal chessboard. They believe that power is permanent, that institutions exist to serve individuals rather than the people, and that the Constitution can be bent, twisted, or ignored whenever it becomes inconvenient. History has taught us from ancient empires to modern failed states that such arrogance always ends in tears. Zimbabwe will not be another casualty. To the Cap 3 pushers specifically, do not hide behind the technicalities, do not claim national interest when your real interest is self-preservation and the extension of unchecked power. Do mashukano yetu kwa panapa na general Skauke Mapranga impotsa mafunguro enyu tulipa msoro pichitwecho. Na comment section medu, so subscribe or like, continue on the bell icon.